Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of They're Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 72. So here it is. Let's read the story. Hey guys, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope everyone will find today. Do you still want to see Miss C flay? Lucy Shaw said to her daughter, if you still want to see it, don't go far and follow your teacher. Lucy Shaw. She want Louie to listen to her. Right now, Louie said to her, Mom, I'll go back with you. Well, definitely. Louie wants to guard her mother and won't leave her alone. Well, remembering Teacher C said to her, this is also the task given to me by Teacher C. Louie said to her mother, to keep up with you, I can let you run around. Well, definitely, she was really a good child. Now, they came back to the room. On the hotel corridor, they're going to enter on the room. She didn't even come after. Oh, did she really want to see Sian? Well, as of now, Sian, she was still playing, but Lucy Xiao. But right now, Lucy Xiao think on herself that she is being conceited. Well, definitely, she is becoming possessive, right? She knows that there's a lot of girls surrounding Sian, and it really makes sense. Well, maybe she got really jealous about it. Why would he come back after you? Well, she was too overthinking. Finally, she went inside. But Louie sees that on the balcony, can see the playing. Downstairs, Mom, you can also see me see right here. Now, looking at Louie, is it? Lucy Shaw said to her. Suddenly, she was sitting on the couch. Mom, come quickly. Miss C is missing. Looking at Louie, she is really praising Teacher C. But for Lucy Shaw, of course, it seems that she was really sulking. Teacher C and the others have won, as expected of Miss C. If you don't watch it, I don't watch it. Well, the kid, she is really getting tricky. How to get her mother. Now, Lucy Shaw stood up and want to watch together with her. She becomes speechless, but Louie still praising Teacher C. Well, definitely the kid. She was really fond of Teacher C. Lucy Shaw thinks that who cannot be attracted by such people. She has so many talents and also she is also a good person. That's why Lucy Shaw at this moment, she's really getting jealous, right? If I have such a cool friend as Teacher C, I will definitely watch her tightly and not let her taken away by the others. Nunu said to hers. Lucy Shaw said to her daughter, Nunu, you're becoming too possessive. Nunu suddenly said, Teacher C, you're back. So it turns out, after a while, Sian comes back to her. Well, looking at Sian, she looks really happy. And Louie, she was happy. Are you obedient? Yes, I have always guarded my mother. Your game is also taking to watch with my mother on the balcony. Oh, after hearing this right now, Louie, she really spoiled the bean. She was copying me. I'm afraid that Nunu will fall down. Oh, she was really good at concealing her feelings. Right now, Nunu, you gotta take a bath first and we will go to grilled fish at night. Sian said to Nunu. Louis said okay. Well, the kid, she's really happy. After a while, the two of them have been quiet. Slow down. But Sian scrubbed Lucy Shaw's hands and said, are you tired today? Well, definitely, she got really tired about it. But Lucy Shaw said to her, I'm not tired. Oh, she really wanted to conceal her feelings again, even though she was really tired. She don't want to tell Sian. Of course, Sian, she won't really back down on this. She moved closer to her and wants to coax her. The medicine is already offline. Lucy Shaw said it was not yet. Oh, this is really good. Sian, she had a good chance to see her. Okay, exactly, I'll give it to you. She wants to take care of her. But, of course, Lucy Shaw, she really don't want to bother her and said it was no need. Sian, she's really pushy. She moved closer. I can do it myself. Sian, she was cleaning the bandage. Let me see how the wound is healing and be good and be obedient. Now, after a while, Sian, she was applying the medicine. Does it hurt? Lucy Xiao said, okay, doesn't hurt if you don't touch it. So it turns out, goodwill, Sian, she's really become tricky. She was blowing the wounds after applying the medicine so it can dry quickly. No matter what angle, it's looked really perfect. Oh, she was really thinking that see, it's really perfect and beautiful. The medicine is over and thank you. Well, for Sian, she really did a great job. Perfectly dressed the bandage. Looking at hers, she was really gentle on Lu Shixiao. Hey, what are you doing? Lu Shixiao said to her. Sian is good. Legs are stiff. I will rest it for a while. Sian said to her, I'm so tired. Let's rest in the room tomorrow. Now she is gently, slowly pressing, so it can able to relax for a while. Yes, how can you take a photo of the scene? I promise you that we can take pictures. Lucy shall remember. I promised to her, but until now, of course, it really never happens. Is she really going to wear bikinis? Hey, I just happened to bring the clothes. Well, maybe the photos taken on the beach. Did you bring the suit too? Yes, but I don't wear it. Well, Lucy Xiao, it seems that now she is really willing to take a photo shoot together with Xian. What do you bring? Lucy Xiao said to her. I'll wear it myself. Xian, she's really getting tricky. She said, it's like a surprise to Lucy Xiao. Why don't you wear it? So much questions by Lucy Xiao. Probably, she want to answer her. But of course, right now, Xian, she's always getting tricky. I don't know if you like the bikini. Oh, so it turns out she has really a good reason. Maybe they got really feel awkward. Someone's gonna see hers. Only the future girlfriends can watch it. Oh, this is really good, right? That there can be a girlfriends. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!